What's good, BF fam? This is Big Tone coming at you again from Big Tone Productions Beats and Feast. Hey guys, you know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And we're going to take it back to the basics. We're going to do simple, just steak and potatoes. But we're going to do a foil pack with steak and potatoes and a few vegetables. And we're going to do it in the air fryer, guys. So, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and share the video, guys. Let's get started with some steak and potato foil packs. So, as always, I'm going to start with my supporting cast. I'm going to have my pink Himalayan sea salt, of course. You know how I get down. Use a little bit of dry parsley flakes. Of course, my black pepper. And some lye seasoning salt. Lowry's for those of you guys who don't know. And then I'm going to put, in one of the foil packs, I'm going to put some broccoli here. Then I got some melted butter with some garlic in it. One whole cut up onion. Then I got these little red potatoes, and I just quartered them if they were large enough. Or cut them in half. And then I got my beef sirloin steak here. I've just cubed this up here. And just sirloin. I use sirloin because it's very tender. And then we have our mushrooms. I'm just using regular button mushrooms. You can use whatever you like. You can go ahead and use, you know, portobello's, porcini mushrooms, whatever you like. I just like the button. And that's what was readily available at the store. Alright guys, so here we go. We got 2 pieces of foil here. And I got them crisscross. I make sure they're long enough so I can get as much as I want in there. So I'm going to take a little bit of vegetable oil in a spray bottle and just spray the bottom. Alright. First thing I'm going to add is my meat. So I'm going to add my meat here to the bottom. There we go. Then I'm going to add my potatoes on top of that. Well, not really on top, but we're going to put these on the sides here. Just a few more here. It's okay if you put them a little bit on top, but you try to keep them as much as you can to the sides. Alright? And then from that, I'm going to season this up again. So I'm going to start with my pink Himalayan sea salt. Generously here. If you guys don't want all the salt, then of course don't use any salt. And we're going to do our black pepper generously here. Alright, and then we got my lye seasoning salt. There we go. Okay, so after that, I'm going to add my onions on top. Right on top of the meat, so we can get that flavor in there. Then I'm going to use my mushrooms. Put my mushrooms right on top. And this one I'm not going to put the broccoli in, okay? So, that's really essentially it, except for one ingredient. And that's my garlic butter. So I'm going to take my garlic butter here and sprinkle it over the top. Ah, look at that, guys. Look at that. There we go. And after that, as I always say, season my vegetables. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. A little bit of salt, not too much. And just a little bit of pepper. There we go. So this one is without the broccoli. And so we're just going to fold this up here, guys. Very simple. We're going to take the middle, or the top piece here. We're going to fold it over. We're going to push down. But we're not going to fold it as tight. We're going to kind of tent it a little bit. Just like that. So air can escape just a tad bit. And then we're going to fold the sides in. Alright, and then the second piece, we're going to bring it together. But we're going to fold this one a little bit tighter here. And then we're going to fold the sides. Don't want any of that garlic butter to get out. I'm going to fold these up. There we go. And there's the foil wrap. So we're going to take that and put it in the air fryer. So as you can see, I got one foil pack in here. Now I had a little rack that came with my my power pressure cooker. So I'm going to divide them with that. I'm just going to put this little rack over top of it. And we're going to put the second one in, just like that. Nice fit. All right, we're going to move to the air fryer, guys. I got my 2 packets in there. So I'm just going to put it in the air fryer, just like that. Light comes on. So I'm going to cook this a little bit different than you normally see me do things. So I'm going to move the temperature up to 400 degrees, and I'm going to set the timer to 25 minutes. Now it may take a little bit longer because these are large packs, so it may take a tad bit longer. But I hit the power button, turns on. I'll see you guys in 25 minutes. It may take a little bit longer, and I'll let you know if it does. Alright guys, so there you have it. I have to make a confession though, that this take longer than I thought. This is a bigger wrap than a foil wrap or pack than I thought it was going to be. So it did take an additional 25 minutes after that. So I put it on for 25 minutes initially, then I put it on for another 25 minutes. So I do apologize. I've done it before and it didn't take quite as long, but this was much bigger. Let me pick up one of these potatoes. Look how it goes right through it. Broccoli, perfect. I'm gonna get down to the meat. Piece of steak, look at that. Hey guys, it's absolutely perfect. I don't even need to plate this up. There's your foil pack. It's right in your foil. That's all you need to do. 1 meal in 1 foil pack in the air fryer, guys. Your vegetable, your meat, your carbohydrates, your protein, everything's right there. And that's all you need. Perfect for your busy moms, your busy dads. A quick meal. Hey guys, if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and make sure you share the video, guys. Hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.